all started with the lamp. Wow. Ooh, that looks really good. Now we can read at the couch. It used to be really dark. Although I bought this to put this above my desk. But now I'm even thinking to have this in the bedroom as well, because it's just beautiful and it just perfectly lights the space. Guys, I really love this lamp. It's just such a cozy atmosphere that is radiating. It's just so cozy to be underneath, and I can move it around and I can create this cozy spot anywhere in the house.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
And that is just a beginning of what it's escalated into a room makeover. Yeah, that looks really bad. It's actually worse than I remembered. The paint started to come off. I mean, it was a bad decision anyway to paint that. I don't know why I did that. I like the wood tone better.
There's no need to complicate things.
Oh my god.
Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning down for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning down for you, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
Oh my god, all this fine dust focus on the camera.
Let me run away. Let us leave the world behind. Give in, keep yourself thinking. Tonight, let go as you're dreaming. I was feeling down low, you just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're higher than the ceiling. I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling.
Couldn't have picked a colder day for that. My hands are frozen. Otherwise, I'm hot because it's a workout. But my hands, ooh.
Leave us till tomorrow, so won't you let me trip with you? Leading out follow, leave us till tomorrow, so won't you?
Okay, so it's back to its original color. As I wiped it off, it's a little bit darker, but I still prefer that one than the white one. I just love this natural warm tone. Oh, I like it a lot better than the white one. I think this is more representing the style that I like. I really like this, so let's take care of the curtain situation here. If you wanna hem your curtain and you wanna have a nice result and you wanna have an easier time to sew it, definitely use the iron before you even start to do anything. It's way easier to prepare everything with an iron, and then it will be easier to sew. And after, when it's done, I use a wet rag, and that will give a polished look as well.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make
Really like this color, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be enough. And this one is not bad either. This one, I have a lots of that. It's okay, it's okay. I can cover that. It's no biggie. So I have these little things here, and I'm thinking to paint this one to the same color as the wall so they won't stick out, but little itty bitty things can keep all the wires in a place where it's more convenient. I will fix that.
So I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are good.
Adding this long line to its wall, it will make it a little bit wider, so that will make this space a little bit more square. So usually the square space is the ideal. It's easier on the eyes, it's easier to decorate, and that's what we are aiming for usually. So this room, it's slightly a little bit longer that way. That horizontal line will give you the illusion it's longer on this side. I got the same length everywhere, so I can start to paint. Ooh, ow, ow. Hey, you are here. It takes forever.
Actually, it's pretty good. I was expecting.
Here's the story. I opened one of the can.
Upside down.
But no,
Okay.
you wish. No, you don't wish that. Guess what color is that?
Black.
No, it's better. It's the same green color than the bathroom.
What is that?
Oh, we missed that face.
I didn't buy that.
This is something that you bought from your workplace. You said they wanted to throw it out. There was a reason why they wanted to
Oh, I
throw
was
it out.
pretty sure about that. Yeah. You have those chopsticks. You can use those.
Not my chopsticks. It's kind of messy. I bet I have spots on my face. It goes way slower, but I don't want to ruin a roll just for a half of a wall. Not even a half.
Not even a half of the
Yeah,
wall.
it's like a third of the
Small
wall.
part
So
of the
I
wall.
can just wash out that paintbrush. You might think I'm crazy, yes I am, but I'm going to paint the fireplace as well, so it will pull together the whole entire room to have this wooden shade of paint on the other side. I just asked him to hold the third one too. I wanna keep the room bright, but I still wanna add the same color that we have on the wall. I use the same paint to cover these old shelves that will stand out from the white wall. So once it's dry, we can put them up.
Water's rising, the dam is breaking in.
Too much leaf.
It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why?
That side was a little bit tricky to decorate because originally I wanted to have a wider shelf, but Zsolt will clunk his head. So we opted out from that, but these little tiny shelves won't be in the way as we going back and forth between the walk-in closet and the bathroom. If you want to decorate with no cost, you can just find any kind of little grass, even this time around on the side of the road or in the backyard, and I just used old jars. The room is done, and I'm going to change around things or not. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, this is where I'm going to live at for today. Move the aloe vera plant here. I'm still playing with that and I hope it's going to survive here. I think it's okay to be in the dark for this photos, or what is it called, I'm not sure. I put some of the vines up here, so let's just hope it's gonna be enough light for this plant. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It helps my channel. And see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!